over 1,000 Nigerian fake nurses are now to be deported back to Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, they are fake nurses, oh. They are fake nurses, oh. Do not accept them in Ghana. Do not accept them here in Ghana, or else you people say they are specialists and they will come and buy our people. Yes. We pay you.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. I'm here with another news. I know, yeah, of course, this news is not going to sound great to especially Nigerians, but what can we do than to bring it out? Because of your mouth, we want to reduce the way you talk on the internet. I believe this video is going to, make you understand that in a kingdom, there are king and there are kings. So you and I know that Nigerians have been dragging with Ghana, claiming they have the best educational system. If you allow them, they will say in the world they are the best. Because whenever they are talking about the best in this, the best in that, you will see them, carrying their shoulder up, dragging, saying, hey, we have this person, we have that person, we have, now so them there. And come to think of it, they never talk, say, now them get that thing. Always, we have, there is, this man, that man, this lady, that lady. When will you be in that position? Ask yourself. I beg. As you all know, they have been dragging with Ghana when it comes to, the best educational system. So, guys, countries that have the best educational system have been rejected for faking results, certificate in the UK. Now, UK government are rejecting thousands of nurses. Yes, they are rejecting thousands of Nigerian nurses in the UK. They are asking them to pack their battle and return back to Nigeria. When I saw this news, do you know what came to my mind? I'd be like, which country are they returning back to? Is it the Nigeria that is not peaceful? The Nigeria that every day they are packing people anyhow? Is it that very Nigeria that they are sending thousands of nurses to return and do what? Where would they start from? With the way people are suffering in that country, I hope we are all prepared, because Nigeria is not for the weak. Nigeria is not for the weak. If not talk, when I sabi talk, now when I don't they see everybody's rejecting you. Every country is rejecting you guys. Let's take a look at the video, okay? There you understand, say kaki no be leather. You understand. And even with this, Nigerians will still come to defend themselves. I don't know what is wrong with these people. They cannot even, feel pity for them, because when you feel pity for them, they will come and attack you. Well, guys, in this very video we're about to check out is the reactions of Ghanaians towards this issue. Guys, let's jump right into it. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
The UK is telling thousands of Nigerian nurses to go back to Nigeria. Y'all are all frauds. We don't believe your degrees or registrations. And this all stems back to a 2023 investigation where they discovered these Nigerians had other people sitting in at a testing center in Nigeria taking the test for them. Dozens confess to it. Like, yeah, these registrations and degrees that we got, somebody else took the test for us in Nigeria. Now the UK is asking all the thousands of nurses that went through that center to get their registration and degrees to go back home to Nigeria until we figure all this out, because right now we think all of y'all are frauds. That's what's going on in the UK. So you see how one bad apple could mess it up? Oh, in this case, there was a whole apple tree. They're like, yeah, y'all gotta go. All these doctors, nurses, and engineers are turning out to be scammers. Really scammers.
All right, my people. Everywhere. Good. So, in this video, the UK authorities are asking thousands of Nigerian nurses of Nigerian Bolabes nurses to return back to Nigeria because of fraudulent. They carry the 419. They carry the 419 to UK because of fraudulent degree. Ladies and gentlemen, so this Nigerian Bolabes carry fake degree to UK and working there as nurse. Ladies and gentlemen, if the doctor say, okay, go and give a patient drip, by the time they reach there, they put the drip inside glass. They give them as water. So, patients has been there for almost 2 years, 3 years, still the same patient. Nothing they change for the patient. Go and give the patient injection. Oh, anything. Now, the UK doctors can't sit down. You see, to these people, where they get their degree from. Now they started investigating them. They mumu themselves for the hospital. If patients, when they bring out food, when the patient no fee eat the food, these Bolabes will carry the food and chop. Even some medicines, they thief them, go house. Ladies and gentlemen, now on their terror-free investigation, now they come arrest them. Arrest these Bolabes. They say, ever since you people be in this hospital, let's examine you small. They come examine them. All of them fail. Ladies and gentlemen, they started saying, they go arrest them. They arrest them, interrogate them. Now, they can't tell the truth. Say, the Nigeria, if you pay something small, they will give you the degree. Money for hand, back na ground. Now so they do for there. Or sometimes they pay somebody, and when they pay the person will sit down and write the exam for you. So they house where they can't give them the degree. Ladies and gentlemen. So now Nigerians have entered UK to go and mumu themselves. Over 1,000 Nigerian fake nurses. Over 1,000 Nigerian fake nurses are now to be deported back to Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, they are fake nurses, so they are fake nurses, so do not accept them in Ghana. Do not accept them here in Ghana, or else you people say they are from UK, so they are specialists, and they will come and buy our people. Yes. Power to the Nyash. One of he pay you. My people. Hey, he don't castle. Nigerians. Bola Nigerians has done it. Oh, again. So, these two Nigerian Bolabes, who looks like mortuary attendants, ladies and gentlemen, before the full story, I beg, let's take a minute of silence to Ghanaian landlords who are renting their houses to Nigerians. you. Again, let's take a minute of silence for our Ghanaian ladies who are dating these Nigerian bonabes. All right, thank you. So, these two brothers, Austin, who is just 37 years old, and Kingsley, who is 44 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, these two bonabes have gone all the way to kidnap 3 Cameroonian citizens who just came to Nigeria for Xmas business. Ladies and gentlemen, now these two bonabes demanded 2.9 million naira as ransom from their family. Ladies and gentlemen, the family paid the amount, the 2.9 million, to these 2 Nigerian bonabes. Ladies and gentlemen, now they wake up to find the two. In Omabala River. Omabala River. The two was found in a river. They tied them and dumped them in the river. Ladies and gentlemen, now the other one is nowhere to be found. There are 3 they kidnapped. Where is the other one? The mistake they did was, as they sent them 2.9 million naira. Yeah, they went out there to buy ingredients. Pepper, Maggi, tomatoes, and other things just to garnish the one. Because now, as I'm speaking with you now, they cannot find the one. The 2 has been already been pied and dumped in the river. Because the meat plenty, they can't eat all. Now, the last one, who cannot be found, now they can't garnish them, can't use them for suya, the soup, prepare in copy with, and also on top, they top them with eba and pounded yam. And then they took odoku beer and joined it with it. Ladies and gentlemen, now they have been arrested and they have confessed. Ladies and gentlemen, una dey see how far Nigerians can go when they are broke. As I dey here, I dey fear Nigeria who is broke, because they can go every length. Nothing anybody fit tell me. As we dey talk, we dey show evidence. Ladies and gentlemen, fear Nigeria, so, and also fear who know the fear Nigeria. Yes. Power to the Nash. One